Hey, beautiful boy. Hey, you are just so adorable. God, I love puppies. Hey, yeah, you're so gorgeous. Such a lovely, placid boy. Hey, yeah, you want a belly rub? You want a belly rub? Hey, yeah. Look at you, Brucey. Oh, that big line across your face. Been slobbering, haven't you? Yeah. Oh, you're just too gorgeous. Hey, with your funny little legs and your long body. Yeah, you're such a sweetheart. Yes, you are. Oh, my God. Yeah. This is why we end up with too many dogs, isn't it, all of us? Hey, because puppies are just too cute. Aren't they, Brucey? Yeah, you're cute too, but in a different way. Yeah. You're all wet and soggy, huh? Yeah, all over your ears, look at you. And your face. You're a mucky pup, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yeah. Come on then. Come on, good boy. We'll put you on the lead in a minute, hey, shall we? See how you're doing today. You do a sit? Good boy, good boy. What about down? We were practicing that yesterday, weren't we? But, yeah, that's going to take a little bit more time. Hey, you're doing a good sit already, though, aren't you? Because Mummy's taught you well. Yeah. Okay, I can't move, and Puppy's pulling my pants down. Okay, well, that's these guys today. And, yeah, happy Saturday. See you soon. Ciao, ciao. Oh, Bruce is so much calmer having some company. Yeah. Much better for you, isn't it, Brucey? Yeah. Okay. Ciao, ciao.